Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Hanifa. I'm from Universitas Islam Nahdlatul Ulama Jepara, and now I want to presentation about the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction in Antam's precious metal product, a Kano model analysis. Number 1, abstract. This research aims to map and analyze the customer loyalty and satisfaction of Antam's precious metal (LM) product through 4 categories of the ANO model. These include one-dimensional of performance needs must be or basic needs, attractive or excitement needs, and indifferent needs. This is a qualitative research with data obtained from interviews, observation, and documentation. This study shows that the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction in Antam's precious metal product, referring to the ANO model analysis, is included in the one-dimensional performance requirements. Here, the level of satisfaction is directly proportional to the performance attribute. And the next, introduction. The objective of the research is to review and analyze the following PT Antam's Pure Gold product: its growth, customer loyalty including its definition and factors, customer satisfaction consisting of its definition, factors, and methods of measuring Kano model analysis, and the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction in Antam's Pure Gold product using Kano model analysis. The problem of the research is one product that had high sell rate and expensive price, but does not cause the customer to defect to another product, for it has provided excellent customer service and satisfaction. The product referring to here is the gold bar or gold bullion offered by PT Antam. And the next method. Method of the research is qualitative research. Data collection techniques are carried out by interviews, observation, and documentation. Interviews were conducted with LM Antam customer and Antam sellers. Observation were made on Antam's LM sale and purchase activities, particularly on repeat purchase of the same product. Technique of analysis data with using qualitative descriptive analysis with used the perspective of the Kano model. And the next, finding and discussion. Product description PT Antam Pure Gold product. Product description PT Antam Pure Gold product. This new design offers various size of gold bars, from the smallest to the largest size of gold bars: 0.5 gram, 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 25 gram, 50 gram, and 100 gram. Gold bars. One, the distinction between the old and new design is in terms of size, which is more expensive for each bar for the same weight. In this regard, PT Antam responds to such marked demand, which tends to choose a larger dimension or size of gold bars. Then the growth of PT Antam. PT Antam has made significant growth seen from its balance sheet from year to year. The PT Antam significant growth is inseparable from customer loyalty and satisfaction, which has led its continuous and progressive increase each year. The sales of gold and silver have reached 61% in export. For example, the domestic sale of gold show 33%, whereas the export sale reached 67%. And the next is the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction in Antam's Pure Gold product in Kano model analysis. Antam's precious metal in terms of gold bar product is not considered as must be or basic needs, attractive or excitement needs, and indifference due to the following reasons. Number 1, the rapid growth and development of PT Antam is strongly influenced by the quality and development of its product attributes, especially Antam's gold bar product. Number 2, the attributes of PT Antam precious metal are positively correlated with the increase in the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction. And number 3, When the country in the performance attributes experience some decline, especially in Antam's precious metal product, they will decrease in the value of customer loyalty. And the next is conclusion. Based off the analysis, the value of customer loyalty and satisfaction in Antam's precious metal is included in one dimensional of performance need. This means the level of satisfaction is closely related to the performance attributes. The higher the performance attributes, the more satisfied the customer will be. The results of observation and interview in this study show the majority of customers choose Antam's Gold Bar product due to its attributes, which include packaging design, legality, service, and convenience. Only one customer leads to the indifference category when the author asks about the product attribute that attract him or her to make Antam's purchase. He or she is no longer attached to the Antam's product and switches to another product instead. So that's all my presentation. Thanks for your nice attention. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.